Hi everyone, my name is Haley from Simply Haley, and in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to clean a faucet head with or without vinegar. I will be showing you my 3 favorite methods for cleaning a faucet head that include applying apple cider vinegar, Coca-Cola, and fresh lemon. Let's get started. Mineral deposits, also known as hard water stains, can be a common problem for faucet heads. These stains are caused from minerals such as calcium and magnesium in the water. There's good and bad news here. The bad news is all of these deposits have slowly building up on the surface, making it really challenging to remove. The good news is I'm going to show you 3 different methods that help remove all these deposits. Let's go ahead with method number 1. This first method, I will show you how to clean a faucet or shower head using apple cider vinegar. Vinegar is an effective and all-natural cleaner for many areas of your home. Because of its high acidic content, apple cider vinegar can also clean your faucet by disinfecting it and dissolving the mineral deposits. Here's what you'll need: apple cider vinegar, a quart-size bag for faucets, gallon-size bag for shower heads, a toothbrush, toothpicks, a sponge or a cloth, and baking soda, which is optional. Here's how my shower head looks before I clean it. Step 1, add apple cider vinegar to a plastic bag. Use a quart-size bag for faucet heads and use a gallon-size bag for shower heads. Fill until both heads are covered. You can also add a 1/4 cup of baking soda. It is not necessary, it just speeds up the process. I'll be demonstrating with the baking soda today. I will also be demonstrating cleaning with apple cider vinegar on my shower head, but you do everything the same except for bag size. Next, place the vinegar bag solution around the shower or faucet heads so the spout is fully submerged in the mixture. Place a rubber band around the bag so it is fully secured in place. Allow the vinegar to work through any calcium or hard water deposits for about an hour, then remove the vinegar mixture and the rubber band. If your faucet head is plated with nickel, brass, or gold, remove the bag after 30 minutes to avoid ruining the finish. My timer is set for 30 minutes. Once the timer goes off, scrub the shower or faucet heads with the toothbrush to remove any stubborn deposits. If the water still runs, slowly take a toothpick and poke and unplug the spray holes in the shower head. Use a sponge or cloth to rinse the outside of the faucet with clean water to remove all of the extra vinegar solution. Finally, run hot water through the faucet or shower head. Here's how it looks after it's been cleaned. If you'd like to save time at cleaning faucets and spend it on more important things, you can always go book an affordable cleaner on HomeGlow near you. Now I'm going to show you how to clean your faucet using Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola is perfect for unclogging blocked faucets, removing limescale, and shining your shower. It is an effective cleaning solution, but it isn't overly acidic, so it doesn't discolor or peel metallic surfaces. Here's how to clean your faucet with Coca-Cola. I'm demonstrating this method with my kitchen faucet. Here's what you'll need: a quart-size bag, Coca-Cola, a rubber band, toothpick, toothbrush, and a sponge or cloth. Fill a plastic bag with Coca-Cola. Place over your faucet. Fasten the bag with a rubber band and let it soak for an hour. After the hour mark, remove the plastic bag and use a toothbrush or different scrub brush to brush away all of the extra buildup. Unclog any stubborn faucet holes with a toothpick. Finally, rinse the faucet with warm water and wipe down the faucet with a sponge or cloth. And this is how my faucet looks after cleaning it with Coca-Cola. This last method, I'm going to show you how to clean a faucet head using fresh lemons. If you don't have apple cider vinegar or Coca-Cola, you can always use fresh lemons. The acidic content is strong enough to break down the mineral buildup in the faucet head. I will be using my bathroom sink to demonstrate how to clean a faucet head using fresh lemons. You will need a fresh lemon, a plastic bag, a rubber band, toothpick, a toothbrush or scrubbing pad, and a sponge or cloth. Let's get into it. Slice a lemon in half and place half of it onto the faucet, covering the spout completely. Wrap a plastic bag around the lemon and fasten it with a rubber band. let the citric acid do its magic for about 2 to 3 hours. Once it has been about 2 or 3 hours, remove the lemon and use a toothbrush or cleaning pad to remove any extra loosening hard water. Finally, with a wet cloth or sponge, remove any of the extra lemon juice. For more details on how to clean sediment from faucets and cleaning a shower head filter screen, check out the article in the description box down below. There's nothing worse than turning on your water faucet and being disappointed with the water flow. By cleaning your faucet regularly with the methods shared, you'll have them working good as new. For more tips like these, be sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that bell icon, and we'll see you again soon.